Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a panorama picture on a Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then open up the camera app. In here you want to swipe across and tap on more, and then tap on panorama. And this will open up your camera in panorama mode. Now if you want to add panorama mode down into this navigation bar down here, then you can tap on the more button and then just drag it down, touch and hold, and then drag it down and let go, and then tap on save, and that's it. So from now on you can quickly access panorama mode from down here instead of having to go into more and then tap on it. And if you want to move it back into that, or if you want to remove it from the navigation bar down here, you can just touch and move it. So I'm just going to tap on more in here. So I'm just trying to move it out. Let me see how I can do that. So maybe I have to tap on add and then move it out. So you need to tap on the add button and then move it out of that navigation bar and then tap on saved. So it's kind of funny, you have to actually tap on the add button to remove it. And that's it. So let's go back and see how you can take the panorama picture. So tap on panorama, and then what you want to do is tap on the camera button, and then you need to spin it slowly in one direction. So let's test it out. Okay, so you want to now tap on the shoot button, and on the screen here there is a guide. So basically you want to follow, pan from left to right. Make sure that the rectangle keep in a straight line, and once you want to stop taking the picture, just tap on the stop button. Alright, so now I have tapped on the stop button, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so here is the panorama picture. Just let me turn it sideways, and this is what it looks like, and that's how you can take a panorama picture on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.